Hey yo, what up guy? Your boy Kelvin is back again, man. Scooter Curry is back again. Yeah, to the video, right? Into this video, I'm gonna be taking you to waterfall. Alright. I got a little tour for you today. I'm gonna take you at waterfall park so you can see it. So right now I'm heading to the direction. Alright, so yeah, bear with me here. Woo. Man, the weather out here, man. If some of y'all really be wondering why I moved, look at this weather, bro. The weather out here is amazing. Like all year summer, like I don't have to worry about snow. I don't have to worry about cold. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Beautiful weather, beautiful sunshine. I don't care about the heat. I can take the heat all day, baby. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna work hard out here. You know, I'm gonna focus on what I'm doing and try to make it big, man. There are a lot of opportunity here, so I gotta take advantage of that. I gotta make a good use of it. Woo. Man. It is not windy though. It is not windy, bro. Like I've been to Chicago. Like Chicago is windy as hell, bro. If you ever been to Chicago, bro. Oh my god, the wind out there is crazy. But here is always like it's just perfect, man. But one thing though, like the mosquitoes out here is crazy. The mosquitoes out here are crazy. So like I said, your boy is back with another video, man. So just go ahead, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, man, because I'm gonna be dropping videos like every 2 or 3 days, man. Like every week, like during the week, I'm gonna drop like 2 or 3. And yeah, baby, I'm gonna go crazy out here, bro. So for me, like I said, I'm in Houston now, right? And I'm like pretty much new to this whole place. Man, Houston is big, man. Like this place is crazy. And I'm gonna explore this place, bro. Like I'm gonna have this place in the back of my palm, bro. I'm gonna know every single corner of Houston, bro. Like I'm gonna go crazy out here. So for me, it's gonna be like a little tour where I get to have more fun while doing it. So it's gonna be good, I can tell. So my first tour that I'm going on right now, that I'm saying I'm gonna take you guys to, is the water, I think waterfall, right? Yeah, the waterfall. They have similar places like that in Chicago, but the one out here is really it's big. This here is big, so that's why I'm gonna go check it out and see, man. And after that, I'm gonna make another video. You can drop like a video, like you can drop me like a tourist location, right? So I can check it out too. So yeah, you can drop that in the comment section too, man. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna stay focused. I'm gonna stay liking, and God got me, man. God got me, bro. So, man, Houston is a busy city, bro. So I see a lot of people, right? Like a lot of people really been, like some people be commenting, right? They be saying, why do I have to, you know, ride in between the car, bro? Like, come on now. If you really think I'm gonna be on like a tiny scooter, right? That can just maneuver, that I can just maneuver my way to get to the front, right? You really think I'm gonna be standing behind like 30 cars way behind while I'm in traffic and be going like slow? Really? You really think I'm gonna do that? Nah, man, I'm not gonna do that, bro. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful weather, y'all. Light work, man. Light work, light work, light work. All day, yo. I think the place is not far from here. It's like, so let me see, 8 minutes. All right, 8 minutes. We are pretty close. One thing that I noticed about this city, right? One thing I noticed about Houston, man, this place is a busy place, bro. Like, this city is a busy city, guys. Everybody out here rushing. Everybody out here, you know, trying to get to somewhere quick, faster. And they just wired to me, cause for me, I never lived in like a really big city like Houston. So it's really kind of strange for me. Even like my way of driving out here is really not like, how would I say it? My way of driving out here is not really like native, if I can say that. Because everybody out here drive crazy. Like, it seems like they drive crazy, but it's just what it is, man. It seems like everybody out here drives like stupid crazy, but it's not. It's just how people drive out here. So, and I can really not blame them for that. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna adapt to their way of driving out here. For sure. Woo, man. I think we're already here though. Cause my GPS saying we are around the corner here. Oh, look at that building, bro. That thing is big. Yeah, I think that place is right around here. And hella people be out here too though. It's right there. Look at that. It's beautiful though. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, man, I just made it to the park, man. It's beautiful out here, bro. I think it's legal to go here like that. Look at that, bro. I would just go around and see. Yeah, this place is really bigger than like the ones in Chicago. The ones in Chicago are just a little, you know, like a little tiny park. But this one right here is definitely big. We got people out here taking pictures. I hope I'm not gonna scare anybody. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, bro. I hope you guys can see this, bro. Cool, guys, that was the water park for you guys here. This place is beautiful and it's amazing. I didn't think that it was gonna be this big. It is huge. I don't know if you guys can see it up, but this thing is huge, yeah. Whew. It's nice. So yeah, guys, that was it for the video. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man, and comment down any tourist, you know, location, a place that you guys want me to visit, right? Comment down below. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, peace out, guys.